We want to sing this together. I just thought of this song, and Jen's been leading this one, Phil, myself, Brooke's been leading this. And, when I think about the cross, when I think about this Good Friday, He has done great things. He has done great things. Arms open wide, the Lamb crucified, worthy is He.